Hey, what's up everyone? Phil here with Video School, and today we're launching another new course. We've been really busy working with all of our partners to put out a ton of great content, courses that students like you are asking for. So this class that we're putting out today is a character design class. It's taught by our lead instructor, Kevin Gardine, who is an artist, sketcher, a designer. He has created a few courses with us, a drawing class, a basic sketching class, and now he's taking it a step further with this character design class. So I want to just go through what this class is all about. So if you are interested in character design, you get a better feel and better sense for what you get from this class. As always, you can click the link in the description of this video to preview the class for free, to check it out yourself, read about the description, see everything you get with it. So I'm over here on Udemy here where we have the course hosted. The basics are the course is over 20 hours of video lessons. You get a 100-page PDF, which is just awesome. Let me just show you this thing really quickly. This is something that Kevin and his one of his business partners, who works really hard at putting together these bonuses for our classes. It's just so good. It's so much extra content that you get. I mean, this thing right here is worth the price of admission to the class. It's got all kinds of tips and tricks, spaces where you can, practice drawing, examples, and you just print it out and you can, go through it. Bonus, tons of great stuff, just anatomy, everything you need to know about drawing and designing characters. So Kevin does a really cool approach to this class, and I think it's really interesting, especially for people who are relatively new to drawing in general. So he goes through all the things, like this is just in the workbook, but in the class itself, he starts with basic warm-up exercises. So really a different, unique approach to, learning how to just get the motion down for drawing. Of course, we go over our recommended tools that you'll need, but pretty much you can get started with just paper and pencil. He goes through the basics of drawing different figures, how shapes and different shapes can give off a different type of character, whether it's a friendly or friend or a foe, mean or nice. Different types of shapes can give off that kind of feeling. So he goes through that. He does a deep dive into drawing each element of a character, from faces to the whole human figure, the whole anatomy. Then he goes through some full designs. He puts it all together, comes up with these really cool, unique characters. He converts it to digital as well. So if you're interested in learning how to take what you draw and sketch out on paper and putting it onto the computer, he shows you how to do that. After that, you kind of go through some more advanced things regarding character, like different posing. You'll learn different lighting, so lighting techniques, and what for actually drawing and animating a character. You learn how lighting can play a part into, again, giving off different feelings and emotions. Then he goes deeper into specifics like more dynamic hair, armor, cloth, fabric, that kind of thing. And then a couple more putting it all together with some full designs. So this is a really cool class. Here's Kevin, your instructor, super nice guy and really good instructor. He has worked really, really hard on this class. So again, if you're interested, if you click the link down below in the description of this video, that helps us out, because if you go through our link, we get a higher percentage of the revenue for each sale. And that helps us to put out more content, more free content. And another bonus you get with this class is Kevin has a student community, a student Facebook group just for his students. And so he invites you to that community where you can post your practice drawings, get better feedback, talk to other students who are just like you. And yeah, that's all with this class. So for the price of, going out to lunch once, you can get this awesome class, the downloadable PDF, the access to the course, student community, and a brand new fun skill. All right, well, hopefully we'll see you in that class. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments, and we'll see you later. Bye.